Lee Je-hoon is a South Korean actor. He was born on July 4, 1984 in Hyoja-dong, Seoul, South Korea. Lee Je-hoon realized that he wanted to go into acting. He dropped out of the Biotechnology major at Korea University and transferred to the School of Drama at Korea National University of Arts. From 2006 to 2010, Lee appeared in more than 18 student shorts and indie films, notably the queer coming-of-age romance Just Friends. He also appeared as an extra in a number of commercial films, including erotic thriller The Servant and romantic comedy Finding Mr. Destiny. In 2021, Lee starred in Move to Heaven. In the same year, he has also played Taxi Driver. In 2020, Lee starred in the dystopian action thriller film Time to Hunt, which earned him a nomination for Best Actor at the 56th Baeksang Arts Awards. He also starred in the caper story film Collectors. In 2019, Lee filmed the travel reality program Traveler along with Hyoja-dong, where the two stars enjoys a backpacking holiday in Cuba. The same year, he was cast in the film Tom Robbery. In 2018, Lee was cast in the film Time to Hunt, directed by Yoon Sang-hyun. The same year, he starred in the airport-themed melodrama where stars land alongside Chae Soo-bin. Lee and co-star Chae Soo-bin were appointed as honorary ambassadors of Incheon International Airport. In 2017, Lee starred in the fantasy romance drama Tomorrow with you opposite Shin Min-ah, portraying a CEO of a real estate company who has the ability to travel through time. He then starred in the biographical period drama film Anarchist from Colony, directed by Lee Jun-ik, playing the character of Park Il, a self-proclaimed anarchist and revolutionary activist during the colonial era of Japan. The same year, Lee starred in the film I Can Speak as a civil servant who also tutors English. In 2016, Lee starred in TVN's fantasy crime drama Signal together with Cho Jin-wang and Kim Hee-soo, which was critically and commercially successful. Lee enlisted on October 25, 2012 for his mandatory military service as a member of the Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency Riot Police. He was discharged on July 24, 2014. For his comeback project, Lee chose Secret Door, a period drama about Crown Prince Sado, who was controversially executed through death by starvation by his father King Yangzo. The series reunited him with Han Suk-kyu. He received critical raves for his performances as a manipulative alpha male in The Hunting Indie Bleak Night and as a morphine-addicted squad leader in big-budget war film The Front Line. He gained mainstream popularity as a shy college student pinning for his first love in box office hit Architecture 101, and though the television series Fashion King was poorly received, his role as a struggling young chaebol here in Korea's fashion industry further showcased his versatility. Lee next starred opposite acclaimed veteran actor Han Sik-hyo in the comedy drama My Paparazzi, which focuses on the special relationship between a high school gang member who dreams of becoming a singer like the lead tenor Luciano Pavarotti and the music teacher who helps him pursue his dream. He next starred in Ghost Sweepers, dubbed the character Jack Frost for the Korean release of 3D animated film Rise of the Guardians, and featured in the crime thriller An Ethics Lesson.